everyone, and welcome to M109 Street Stories. This is my Suzuki M109 that I just bought home from the mechanic, and just thought I'd give you guys a quick tour and show you what needs to be done before this big girl she's gonna hit the road. So far she looks solid, but there's a few things that needs to be done. Obviously I have to clean it. See all the dirt, that's a lot, and yeah, she should be good to go mechanic wise. The brakes are checked, and she got the new oil and everything. In time I'm gonna have to do something about the paint, because this right here is metallic, and this right here is how do you call it, matte salt, matte black. So something needs to be done there. I also think I'm gonna paint the Sissy bar. First I'm just gonna take it off and see what I can do. Maybe take off the back seat also, and put on the rear screen. Also, I'm thinking about taking this out, because it looks like something that was printed on paper or something. You can actually see the numbers. Let me just see if I can focus right here. You can actually see the number behind. So yeah, definitely a lot of work, but again, it's a beautiful weather here in Denmark, and spring, everything is blooming, so that's beautiful. Yeah, and maybe I will fire this beast up later, and you guys can hear what it sounds like. I'm gonna take the back seat off and see if I can find the back screen somewhere. Alright, so just put the back seat on, and I don't know if I hate it or love it, but yeah, it is what it is. Maybe we'll get rid of it. I'm not sure. It's a bit aggressive, I think. It looks nice without the Sissy bar, and the clean. Okay, let's see. Alright, so just gonna fire her up so we'll see what she sounds like.